Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 4 of daily math. And we're going to start with this word problem. It says Miss Benson must give each child 2/12 of the pizza. She is feeding 4 children. How much pizza does Miss Benson have to make? All right, so let's go to our notebook for this one. All right, so what do we know? We know that our denominator is 12. So I'm going to make a fraction bar with 12 pieces. That'll represent our pizza. All right, so to get 12 pieces, the easiest way is to do thirds first and get 3 pieces. Then go through and do half of those, which would be 6. And then I can just cut those in half going this way. And then I have 6 on the top, 6 on the bottom, and I have 12ths. So we know that each child gets 12 2/12. So I'm just going to use different colors to represent 4 kids. All right, so remember that each section, our unit fraction, is worth 1/12. Write really small, but I can fit it in there. All right. All right, so each kid gets 2/12 of a pizza. So let's just use red for the first one. All right, so this is one kid. Then we have another kid. Just going to use blue. All right, then we have another kid. Let's use green. And then we have one more kid. She said they had 4 kids. So let's just use orange. All right, so how many 12ths did I shade? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she needs to make 8/12 of a pizza. Another way to look at this is if you look at columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 columns, and we shaded in 4 out of 6. So you could also think of this as being 4/6 as well. And you can also even simplify it even further. Divide these by 2, and you get 2/3. So then your columns become here, and you get 1, 2, 3 sections. So you can think of this as 8/12, 4/6, or 2/3. All of those are equivalent. All right, another way to think of this is you could have done 2/12 plus 2/12 plus 2/12 plus 2/12, because there's 4 children. That would have been 2, 4, 6, 8/12. So this is our picture. This is our equation. And you're going to say that Miss Benson, is that what her name was? Yep. Miss Benson needs to bake or cook 8/12 of a pizza. All right, let's look at the next problem. 6/10 plus 8/100. We have to have like denominators, so I know I can multiply by 10 to get hundredths. So I can do that in my head, but if you need to see it, okay, 6 times 10 is 60, and then 10 times 10 is 100. Now we can add them together. So 60 plus 8 is 68/100. All right, write the number in expanded form. Man, we haven't done this in a while. It says 840,003. So I'm going to write it in standard form first. So 800, I know how to write 840. Then I see that word thousand. It tells me to put a comma. And then I just have the number 3. So I don't have any hundredths or tens. So it should look like this, 840,003. All right, so now we're going to write this in expanded form. So you're just writing the value of each number. So 800,000 plus 40,000. We don't have any thousands, hundredths, or tens. So then you just go straight to, sorry, I didn't mean to put a comma there, the number 3. So 800,000, 40,000, and 3. All right, decompose 4/8 in two ways. So you could have 1/8 plus 3/8 equals 4/8, or you could have 2/8 plus 2/8 equals 4/8. All right, that takes us to the end of daily math. I hope you did a good job this week. See you next week for more.